These air fryer jalapeno poppers are perfect for game day, Taco Tuesday, or your next cookout, so let's get to it. To make the filling, allow 8 ounces of reduced fat cream cheese to soften at room temperature. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions, 2 tablespoons of pre-cooked bacon bits, and a 1/4 cup of shredded Mexican cheese. Season with half a teaspoon of garlic powder, smoked paprika, and ground cumin. Stir to incorporate. I find that using a fork works best when you're trying to combine all those ingredients and spices into the cream cheese. Now let's prepare our jalapenos. When preparing your jalapenos, it's always a good idea to keep one hand gloved. To de-seed, cut each jalapeno in half lengthwise. Then remove the seeds and the inner membrane. You can leave some membrane if you like for them to be spicy. When preparing the jalapenos, you can use a jalapeno core, which is great for coring those out if you're leaving the jalapenos whole, but since we're cutting ours in half, I actually found this tool to be really helpful for removing the membrane. This comes from a pumpkin carving kit, only costs a couple dollars, and it allows you to get that membrane out without tearing up the jalapenos. Using a rubber spatula, fill each of the jalapenos with the cream cheese mixture up to the cut line. To bread the peppers, first we'll need an egg wash. Whisk 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons of water in a shallow baking or storage dish. In a separate dish, combine 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs and 1/2 cup of smashed Ritz crackers. You're going to love this breading. That panko gives it nice crispiness on the outside, while those Ritz crackers give it a nice buttery flavor. Dip those stuffed jalapenos in the egg wash and then place in the breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs on top of the cream cheese filling to help them adhere. Arrange your peppers in your air fryer or on your air fryer tray. Apply a small amount of cooking spray. Then place your air fryer at 400 degrees and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. And these turned out great. I like to finish mine with a little bit of sweet barbecue sauce. If you don't have an air fryer, it does really well in the oven at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it. Hit that subscribe button so we can let you know when the next video posts. And until next time, stay safe and eat well.